Students of 10th standard, welcome back to the English class. We were doing lesson number 2.5, that is Let's March. I have explained you half of the lesson. Now I will do page number 79. So pay attention. Now I was dealing with the paragraph which I am pointing to you here 20 years ago. Okay. 20 years ago, in the foothills of the Himalayas, I met a small, skinny child laborer. He asked me, "Is the world so poor that it cannot give me a toy and a book, instead of forcing me to take a gun or a tool?" Now, this Kailash, he was moving around the foothills somewhere nearby the Himalayas, and he met a small boy, a very young boy, and this child was working somewhere. He was a laborer. This child asked Kailash, "Sir, is the world so poor? क्या ये संसार इतना गरीब है कि मुझे एक खिलौना या एक किताब दे नहीं सकता? मुझे मेरे हाथों में बंदूक या बंदूक के जैसे कुछ स्टूल मुझे पकड़ा दिया जाता है?" Then see next. I met with a Sudanese child soldier. It was kidnapped by an extremist militia. As his first training lesson, he was forced to kill his friend and family. He asked me, "What is my fault?" Then, after that, Kailash met a Sudanese child soldier. This boy was kidnapped by the militia or the extremist, the terrorist, and the first lesson this child learned was to hold the gun, and he was forced to kill his friend and family. Then this child is asking a question to Kailash, "What was my mistake? What was my fault that I have killed my friend and family? What was my fault that I have to take the gun in my hand and have to kill my family and my friend?" Friends, all the great religion teaches us to take care of our children. Jesus said, "Let the child come to me. Do not hinder them, for the kingdom of God belongs to them." The Holy Quran says, "Kill not your children because of poverty." फिर कैलाश समझाते हैं कि हर धर्म यही सिखाता है कि सब बच्चे को अपने पास प्यार से रखना है, उनका देखभाल करना है. जीसस क्रिश्चियनिटी में भी बोलते हैं, जीसस बोलते हैं, "सब बच्चे को मेरे पास आने दो." फिर कुरान में भी, होली कुरान में भी बोलते हैं, कोई भी बच्चे को, कि अपना बच्चे को गरीब परिस्थिति होने से भी उनको मत मारो. Friends, there is no greater violence than to deny the dreams of our children. Therefore, I refuse to accept that all the temples and mosques and churches and pray houses have no place for the dream of our children. क्या कोई भी धर्म में, जैसे कि टेम्पल में, मॉस्क में, चर्च में, हम जहाँ पूजा करते, ये बच्चे लोगों का सपने के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है? Then next go, I refuse to accept that the world is so poor when just 1 week of global military expenditure can bring Next page go. Page number that is 80. All the children to classroom. Now the author, that is Kailash, was thinking to bring all the children to the classroom and to give them a good education. I refuse to accept that all the laws and constitution, police and judges are unable to protect our children. Then the Kailash is saying, क्या अपना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, पुलिसमैन और कोर्ट क्या हमारे बच्चे लोगों को प्रोटेक्शन कर नहीं सकते हैं? अपना लॉ बच्चे लोगों को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकता है? फिर आई रिफ्यूज़ टू एक्सेप्ट दैट द shackles of slavery can ever be stronger than the quest for freedom. I refuse to accept here. My only aim in life is that every child is free to be a child, free to grow and develop, free to eat, sleep, and see daylight, free to laugh and cry, free to play and learn, free to go to school, and above all, free to dream. I have the privilege of working with many courageous people who have the same aim. We have never given up against any threat or attack, and we never will. We have made progress in the last couple of decades. We have reduced the number of out of school children by half. We have reduced the number of children laborers by a third. We have reduced children mortality and malnutrition, and we have prevented millions of children or child death. But let us make no mistake, great challenges still remember. Students, next time I'll do next topic.